In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Pinterest post. To get started, open your web browser just like you normally do. In the address bar, type the word Pinterest, then press enter. You should now see search results with the Pinterest homepage near the top. Take a moment to confirm you see the familiar red Pinterest logo in the result before moving on. Now, from the search results, click the correct Pinterest link and sign in. The correct link will usually say Pinterest and mention visual discovery or saving ideas. Once the Pinterest page opens, look for the sign in button near the top. Click it, then enter your email and password or use your usual login method. When the login works, your home feed will appear, filled with different pins in a grid layout. With that ready, click your profile photo. You will usually find it in the top right corner of the screen as a small circle. If you do not use a personal photo, it might just be a colored circle with a letter. Clicking this opens your profile page, where you can see your name, your boards, and any pins you already saved. Next up, click Create in the top left corner, then choose Create Pin. On your profile, look near the top for a button or word that says Create. Click it once, and a small menu will appear. From that menu, select Create Pin. As soon as you do this, a new pin editor opens, showing an upload box on the left and text fields on the right. This is where you build the post people will see. After that, drag and drop your image or video into the upload box, or click it to browse your computer files. If you drag and drop, you can pull the file directly from a folder into the box until it highlights. If you click instead, a file window opens so you can choose a picture or video from your device. When the upload works, you will see a clear preview appear in the editor, and Pinterest may show automatic suggestions below it. At this point, add a title of up to 100 characters and a description of up to 500 characters. Click into the title field and type a short, clear phrase that describes what your pin is about. Then move to the description area and add more detail, like key points, ingredients, or simple steps. A helpful tip is to include a few natural keywords people might search for, so your pin is easier to find. From there, add a destination link, the website address you want people to visit when they click your post. Click into the link field and paste or type your full web address, starting with HTTP. Make sure there are no extra spaces, because even one space can break the link. Once entered correctly, Pinterest will attach that link to your pin, so a click on the image opens that page. Finally, click the drop-down menu at the top right to choose or create a board to save your post in, then click Publish. Open the drop-down and pick an existing board that matches your topic, like recipes or travel, or create a new board with a clear name. When the board is selected, hit Publish. The editor will close, and you will briefly see a message confirming your pin was saved, then the pin appears in that board. You have just created and published a complete Pinterest post with an image, text, and link, ready for people to discover. If this helped you get your first pin live, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and you are welcome to subscribe for more simple tutorials.